Alrighty, so it's raining hard. Don't know how well you can see that, especially since it is kind of dark. But it's raining pretty damn hard. And it's thundering and lightninging and storming like mad. I love it. Wait, let me see here. Wait. Oh, fuck. That's not gonna work. I love storms. I love the rain. Oh, hey. Hey there. You're not who I thought you were. Yeah. So I was walking home today, right? And I was wearing my goggles. And I heard someone shout from a car, asking if I was tripping. And I took off my goggles and tried to look for who it was, but I couldn't find them. Then I said to myself, I fucking wish I was. Anyway, I think this is the video for today. I'm tired as fuck. And sweaty. Kinda gross. I should probably go dance in the rain naked for a little bit. Just to get clean, you know? Nothing's more purifying than that swamp rain.